air pressure is something that we kind of familiar. Have you seen a tornado?
Yes.
How does it look like? Yes, it's a spinning thing. So once you get caught in a tornado, what can you get out? Can get out? Why? Yes.
It's because the air pressure is way too strong, and then you can't get out because it's very strong and a lot of
Exactly.
air.
So air pressure basically acts almost like other thing that pulls you inside, which is gravity, right?
Yeah.
Gravity also holds you in your spot. You can't fly away, right? Because of the gravity. Same thing with air pressure. Once you're inside of it, you can't get out. And this thing, do you guys remember what I called it? What did I call it? Yes. My hair dryer, yes. My hair dryer. Right? So I dry my hair in the morning. So it's a leaf blower. Yes. Inside of it there is a powerful fan. And this fan is not like a regular fan that spins like that. Yes? Imagine a hamster wheel. Yes? You all picture it in your mind?
Yes.
How does it look like? Somebody else needs to answer. How does hamster wheel look? A circle thing, right? And we have hamster inside, right? So now imagine that wheel, right? But it's laying on the side. And it spins like that. Okay? You all picture that? There is no hamster. It's just a fan that spins like that. And that fan is called a centrifugal fan. And when scientists came up, or engineers came up with that idea, they figured out that the air stream that will be produced will produce very powerful stream of air with a lot of air pressure that acts almost like a pipe. That is an extension of that stream of air. So right here, we will observe that.
What is this substance falling from the air?
I also do a little bit of a cleanup at home. So, what we just observed, what two forces of physics did we just observe? One was what? One was air pressure, and the other one was?
Gravity?
Gravity, exactly. So if we imagine, let's say, Batman, which is air pressure, it's fighting with all his power to hold the ball in the air. And then there is Superman that is pulling as a gravity. It's pulling that object down, right? So we have two forces of nature, right? That are fighting each other as if Batman and Superman, two superheroes. Because without gravity, we wouldn't be in this planet. Because even air would not be here. Do you realize that? That the only reason we can breathe because of the gravity. And because of the gravity, everything exists on this planet. Alright? So for the next experiment, we will